My name is Kristen Angel, and today I will be showing you how to create a single elimination tournament. Now go to http://www.myleague.com/training/ and then you need to click on TD Login. Now, sign into TD Center using any one of the names and passwords that can be found on my tutorial page for this video. Now, you click on Login. Just remember this is a fake TD Center, so when signing into a real TD Center, you must use your real TD name and click on the little arrow and select TD Training. This will be the league that you're a TD for when you do a real tournament. Now you're logged into the TD Administration Center. Click on Create Tournaments. I have underlined it for you too. Now you're in the Tournament Setup Center. If you click on the little arrow, you will see that you have got 3 different formats to choose from. These are single elim, double elim, and Swiss system. I have chosen to use bracket style, single elim, as this is what I'm helping you on. And then just click on Submit. Now on this page, you will choose the date you want your tournament to run. For example, if you wanted to do a tour on the 29th of April 2011, you would click on the date. Today's date is always highlighted in red. Now on this page, you will choose what time you want your tournament to run. For example, I have chosen to run the fake tournament at 10 a.m. You can see an arrow. This is to show you that the time has already got a tournament running, and also where the line is. It will show you the time slot is free, so you could have a tournament on any available time slots. Now, we need to do the tournament settings. Now, you can see I have added the information that I need to add. I have added a name for the tournament, what the game is, where the tournament is being held, number of rounds, and how minutes between each round. I have also underlined what needs to be edited. For example, name of tournament, USA Jungle Gin Tournament, game, Jungle Gin, game room, gin/adverb/butterfly palace, game format, SE100 reg no knocking, Jungle Gin, number of rounds, 8, number of minutes between rounds, 15. You might want to add a backdoor link to your tournament page, and to do that you will need to go to http://www.backdoors.pogo/ to get your backdoor URL. Now, once you have found your game and the room name, you will need to right-click on the room name and click on Copy Link Address. Now, you will need to paste it into the box by Game Room link. As this is a fake tour, you will not charge an entry fee. In a real tournament, your league will tell you how much to charge for each tournament. So for example, you might charge 50 ladder backs for a single elimination tournament, so you would mark ladder backs entry fee as ladder backs to top finishers, and click on little arrow and select 50. Now, click on Create Tournament. Now, you will see this page, so you will know that your tournament has been created. Now, click on Return to TD Center. Now, go to the next part of this tutorial, which is how to run a single elimination tournament tutorial.